And while top CBI sources have also confirmed to your channel that the homicide angle in the Sushant death mystery is now under top focus. The CBI has written to AIIMS requesting a team of experts in Mumbai. The AIIMS forensic head has constituted a medical report and has also asked for the post-mortem report, the Viscera report, and all inquest papers. The AIIMS expert panel has asked for all evidence collected in the case so far, along with a set of 25 questions on the crime scene report. Republic gets you 12 exclusive leads on the homicide angle under probe by the CBI. The homicide angle is now under focus with the CBI and the AIIMS panel, who we believe will now be working in coordination to unearth as to what exactly happened on 14th of June inside that apartment. The CBI team also, meanwhile, will be requesting AIIMS experts to visit Mumbai as well, if need be. Not just that, a medical report has already been made by AIIMS forensic expert, and the panel is now seeking autopsy, viscera, and inquest papers. In fact, we have Vikas Singh, Sushant Singh's family lawyer, who's joining us. I believe Prakash has Vikas Singh with him. Let's listen in.
But now, if what has been disclosed is correct, then this is actually banned drug. Now, if it is banned drug, then firstly, this will lead to definitely abetment to suicide as well as murder, either of the two. And lastly, there will be a Narcotics Control Bureau issue also, because then who are the suppliers? They will also have to be arrested. So definitely the scope of these proceedings will widen quite substantially. And I feel that now the matter is getting very, very serious. And hopefully some very major breakthrough should come from the CBI.
Mr. Shweta Singh also tweeted saying that it's a criminal offence and should initiate inquiry immediately. How do you say so?
Well, this inquiry has already been initiated now, so that way what she has been asking has already been fulfilled, because she's been asking for a CBI inquiry for a very long time. And finally now it has happened. That as far as her demand is concerned, the demand itself fully gets satisfied. But what the family is very anxious about is the quick, action to be taken pursuant to this inquiry or investigation, and arrest should take place and charge sheet should be done immediately, so that trial could start at the earliest.
As a final question, CBI has also summoned 2 Mumbai police officials, and a lawyer of they said that she never took any drug. How do you see such a sign?
Well, whether Rhea took any drug or didn't take any drug is not the issue at all here. That may only be an issue for the purpose of corroborating the fact about those chats. The real fact is that whether she was responsible in administering something to Sushant contrary to his will or without his knowledge. That is the real question. So it looks like, because why would somebody say give 4 drops and give it in his tea and coffee and it will kick in 30-40 minutes, if that is the correct WhatsApp chat? And if that is the way things were operating in the household of Sushant Singh Rajput at that point of time, then it's a very serious matter, and Rhea taking or not taking drugs is really immaterial in this matter.
And the role of Mumbai police? I mean, CBI.
Mumbai police, of course, has been, trying to cover up this matter, because instead of doing an investigation, in an inquest proceeding, they were calling everybody from Bollywood. And what is the jurisdiction to call somebody and make him wait for 4 hours and 5 hours? Top producers and directors were being called and made to sit whole day for a so-called inquiry when no FIR had been registered. Ultimately, everybody's time is important. Why should somebody go and sit in Mumbai police's office? So the whole purpose was to deflect the people from the real case to an imaginary case, and then give it a burial in the hope that public memory is short and people will forget things very soon. And the moment Sushant Singh gets out of the memory of the people, the matter can be given a decent burial. But fortunately, the family is fighting very hard, strong fight. Family is not going to give up. And what I have noticed in the last 1 month, that the fans of Sushant Singh Rajput all over the world are very, very restive, and they are also demanding justice. So because of both these factors, I don't think Mumbai police could have done this. And now that the CBI has actually taken over the investigation, we feel that we are in safe hands and something should happen very soon. Thank you.